Did you know that the top 1% can spend over $1,000 on a single t-shirt, while the rest of us are clipping coupons for ramen noodles? It's insane! But don't worry, you don't have to be a billionaire to enjoy the finer things in life. But what if I told you that you don't need a Scrooge McDuck vault to live a life of luxury? You can have it all without breaking the bank. That's right, my friends. Today we're diving deep into the art of ballin' on a budget with 7 luxury lifestyle hacks that won't break the bank. Imagine sipping champagne, driving a fancy car, or enjoying a spa day without the hefty price tag. Let's be real, we all deserve a little luxury in our lives. It's those special moments that make life truly enjoyable. Whether it's treating yourself to a fancy coffee from a stylish cafe, or rocking a designer outfit that makes you feel like a fashion icon, those little indulgences can make you feel like $1,000,000. Confidence and happiness often come from these small luxuries. But who says you have to spend $1,000,000 to get that feeling? Smart shopping and savvy choices can get you there. This video is your golden ticket to unlocking a world of luxury without the guilt of emptying your bank account. You can enjoy fine dining, travel, and shopping stress-free. We're talking about the kind of hacks that'll have you living your best life while still hitting those savings goals. Imagine celebrating with friends and still saving money. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to upgrade your life without downgrading your wallet. Let's dive into these amazing hacks together. Alright, let's kick things off with the holy grail of budget luxury thrifting. It's not just a trend, it's a lifestyle that combines fashion, sustainability, and the thrill of the hunt. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, thrifting is for dusty old clothes and broken lamps. But that's just a stereotype. Wrong. Think of thrift stores as hidden treasure troves just waiting to be raided. Each visit is an adventure, a chance to discover something truly unique. You can find designer clothes, vintage finds, and unique pieces you won't see anywhere else, all for a fraction of the retail price. Imagine scoring a vintage leather jacket or a pair of designer jeans for next to nothing. Pro tip, hit up thrift stores in affluent neighborhoods. These places often have the best selection of high-quality items. Trust me, their trash is your treasure. You'd be surprised at the gems you can find. I'm talking about finding Armani suits for the price of a Chipotle burrito, or a Chanel bag that costs less than your monthly Netflix subscription. It's like hitting the fashion jackpot. And the best part? You're not just saving money, you're also being sustainable by giving these pre-loved items a new home. It's a win-win. Plus, you're reducing waste and supporting a circular economy. So ditch the overpriced department stores and embrace your inner bargain hunter. You'll find that the thrill of the hunt is half the fun. You'll be amazed at the gems you can uncover. Each piece has its own story, waiting to be continued by you. Just imagine the look on your friends' faces when they ask you where you got that amazing outfit and you casually drop the, "Oh, this old thing, just thrifted it." It's a conversation starter and a badge of honor. Mic drop, you've just become a thrifting legend. But seriously, thrifting is an art form. It requires patience, a keen eye, and a bit of creativity. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, try things on, and be patient. Sometimes the best finds are hidden in plain sight. The perfect find is out there waiting for you. It's all about the thrill of the hunt and the joy of discovery. And remember, one person's trash is another person's treasure. So get out there and start thrifting. Who needs an interior designer when you have YouTube and a glue gun, right? DIY home decor is where it's at if you want to elevate your living space without spending a fortune. We're talking about transforming your crib from drab to fab using your own 2 hands. And no, you don't need to be Bob the Builder to pull this off. There are literally millions of DIY tutorials online for everything from creating your own artwork to upcycling old furniture. Turn those empty wine bottles into chic vases or give that old dresser a fresh coat of paint and new hardware. Boom! You've got yourself a one-of-a-kind piece that looks like it came straight out of a magazine. The key here is to get creative and think outside the box. Don't be afraid to experiment with different materials, colors, and textures. And the best part? You can customize everything to your liking. Plus, there's nothing more satisfying than stepping back and admiring a masterpiece you created yourself. So put on your DIY hat, grab some supplies, and let your inner artist run wild. Alright, let's talk travel, because who doesn't dream of jet-setting around the world and experiencing new cultures? Whether it's the bustling streets of Tokyo, the serene beaches of the Maldives, or the historic landmarks of Rome, travel opens up a world of possibilities. But let's be real, Flights and hotels can drain your bank account faster than you can say passport. The costs can add up quickly, leaving you stressed and wondering if it's all worth it. That's where travel hacking comes in. It's a game changer for those who want to see the world without breaking the bank. No, we're not talking about anything illegal here. It's all about being smart and strategic with your travel planning. We're talking about using points, miles, and a little bit of strategy to score free or heavily discounted travel. Imagine flying first class or staying in luxury hotels for a fraction of the cost. The first rule of travel hacking: sign up for credit cards with amazing travel rewards. These cards can offer incredible benefits if used wisely. Look for cards that offer sign-up bonuses, points multipliers, and perks like free checked bags and airport lounge access. These perks can significantly enhance your travel experience. Next up, master the art of the travel search engine. These tools are essential for finding the best deals available. Use websites and apps that compare prices from different airlines and hotels to find the best deals. This can save you a lot of money and time, and don't be afraid to be flexible with your travel dates and destinations. Flexibility can often lead to the best deals. Sometimes flying on a Tuesday instead of a Friday can save you hundreds of dollars. Small changes can make a big difference. Remember, the key to travel hacking is to be organized, do your research, and be patient. It's a skill that gets better with practice. But trust me, the payoff is worth it. The thrill of scoring a great deal is unmatched. Imagine sipping cocktails on a beach in Bali or exploring the streets of Paris, all while knowing you scored an epic deal on your trip. The memories you create will be priceless. That's the power of travel hacking, my friends. It opens up a world of opportunities and adventures. Okay, let's be real. We all have those luxury items we've been eyeing but can't justify spending a month's rent on. But what if I told you that you can get the same look and feel for a fraction of the price? Enter the wonderful world of dupes. Dupes are basically products that are almost identical to their high-end counterparts but without the hefty price tag. Think drugstore makeup that rivals the pigment and staying power of luxury brands, or affordable skincare that delivers the same results as those fancy serums. The key to finding great dupes is to do your research. Read reviews, watch comparison videos, and don't be afraid to experiment. You might be surprised at the hidden gems you can find at your local drugstore or online. And the best part? You can indulge in your favorite beauty and fashion trends without breaking the bank. So ditch the guilt and embrace the power of dupes. Your wallet and your skin will thank you for it. Chapter 5, Hack number 5, Subscribe and Conquer. Alright, let's talk about subscription services because who doesn't love a good subscription box? But hold on, I'm not talking about those useless subscription boxes that send you a bunch of random junk you'll never use. I'm talking about strategic subscriptions that add value to your life and make you feel like a VIP. Think streaming services that give you access to endless entertainment, meal kit deliveries that make healthy eating a breeze, or even clothing rental subscriptions that let you rock a new wardrobe every month. The key here is to choose subscriptions that align with your interests and needs. Don't be afraid to try out different services and see what works best for you. And remember, you can always cancel or switch up your subscriptions whenever you want. The beauty of subscription services is that they provide convenience, variety, and often significant savings compared to buying individual items or services. So go ahead, treat yourself to a little subscription love. Chapter 6, Hack number 6, Become a Sale Shopping Ninja. Alright, let's talk sales because who doesn't love a good bargain? But hold on, I'm not talking about those bogus 5% off sales that stores try to pass off as deals. I'm talking about the real deal. The kind of sales that make you want to do a victory dance in the aisles. We're talking Black Friday, Cyber Monday, end-of-season clearances, flash sales, the works. The key to conquering the sale shopping game is to be prepared. Know what you want, make a list, and stick to it. Don't get sidetracked by those tempting buy one, get 150% off offers for things you don't need. Sign up for email lists and follow your favorite brands on social media to stay in the loop about upcoming sales and promotions. And remember, patience is a virtue. Sometimes the best deals come to those who wait. So hold off on that impulse purchase and wait for it to go on sale. Your wallet will thank you later. Chapter 7, Hack number 7. Loyalty programs are your new best friend. Alright, last but not least, let's talk about loyalty programs. I know. Signing up for yet another loyalty program might seem like a chore, but trust me, it's worth it. Think of loyalty programs as your secret weapon to unlocking exclusive discounts, rewards, and perks. From your favorite coffee shop to your go-to airline, most businesses offer some sort of loyalty program these days. And the best part, they're usually free to join. Simply swipe your loyalty card or provide your phone number at checkout and watch those points rack up. Those points can then be redeemed for freebies, discounts, or even cashback. It's like getting rewarded for spending money you were already going to spend anyway. So next time you're shopping or dining out, don't forget to ask about their loyalty program. You might be surprised at the amazing benefits you've been missing out on. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to saving money and living a more luxurious life on a budget. And there you have it, folks. 7 luxury lifestyle hacks that won't break the bank. From thrifting like a pro to becoming a travel hacking ninja, we've covered it all. Remember, living a luxurious life isn't about how much money you spend. It's about making smart choices and finding joy in the little things. So go ahead, treat yourself to that fancy coffee, book that dream vacation, or rock that designer outfit, all without the guilt of overspending. You deserve it. Now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite budget-friendly luxury hacks? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. And while you're at it, be sure to check out this video popping up on your screen right now for even more amazing money-saving tips. Until next time, stay savvy, stay stylish, and keep on hustling.